Hi guys, so today we are gonna have some fun with the Temu markers. They are absolutely amazing and so easy to work with. Okay, I'll create some sort of branches. Because they've got dual tip, it's so easy. We've got one side which is very thin and then the other side which looks like a brush, and we can paint a beautiful watercolor nail art in a matter of the seconds. Let's grab some other colors and we are gonna introduce some pink. On the beginning you can also dry them out a little bit. They are quite pigmented, so I do like to give it a little dry to it, and then I can do those beautiful petals with a matter of the seconds. Here another one, and then we will add some detail through it just to make it nice and pretty. You can see how beautifully they are spreading, and I don't use anything, it's just those markers. And then the lighter color, to get a little bit more detail through it, just go over the same petals you have painted before, so the things looks prettier on the one side and here, one side and there, and then there. And this way we can create a beautiful watercolor flowers, very simple ones, just with those touches of the brush. And this is so soft to paint, like because of the tip. And you can see it, they are smudging into different shapes. I'm just adding a tiny bit more on the top. Let's do even some rounded shape in here. Really pretty watercolor art on our nails. And then some other green. Just to add some veins through our leaves. Really easy. Okay, that's enough. That's plenty. You have to know sometimes when to stop. But yeah, that's what we have created with the markers. And then it's a time for the top coat. Once we put the top coat, things becomes even prettier. So look at those beautiful, amazing design we have created using only markers.